Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out Harris's 2025 Sunliner 250. Starting way back here in the back, you can see this Tri-Tune is powered by Mercury's 250 horsepower Verado outboard. This is Mercury's V8 outboard, so it's a super sharp look on the back of this boat here. Then also on the starboard side, you've got this nice telescoping step ladder to help you get on and off super easily. Right on top of that Mercury outboard, we do have this stainless tow bar here. So it's a sharp chrome look on the back. It gives you the ability to pull any kind of tuber or skier. It gives you an extra way to have fun while you're out on the water. One of my favorite features of the transom back here are these safety chains, right? So you attach these to your fender rails right here, and that's what allows you to legally ride facing aft on the stern back here. And that's what allows you to take advantage of this sun pad lounger right here. So this is a transforming lounger, so you can face forward, aft, or if you're looking to sunbathe out, you can lay it all the way flat and have a nice big pad to lay out on and enjoy your day on the water. Underneath this lounger here, it is a massive storage compartment that connects all the way through to the back, so you can fit nearly anything you need to take on board in there. We'll move on up into the cockpit a little bit. Now as we move in here, you can see we're getting shade from our canopy on top of our sport tower. So this is what makes this the Sunliner Sport. And then right underneath that are our twin captain's chairs. So this is an upgrade on this boat. Provides extra comfort. Each seat does have the adjustable armrest and the backs, and they do full swivel as well. Awesome feature on this specific Sunliner is the in-floor storage. So you can see we've got the cover folded up in there, and you still got plenty of room. That just drops right down into your center tune, utilizes that space on board. Also, another spot to keep the cover is this dedicated storage spot here. You can see we got a couple things in there now. That's a nice spot to have while you're out on the water as well. We'll move on over to the helm a little bit. You can see this boat does have a Simrad screen, so you've got your chart plotter, your engine management. All your goodies are going to be found in that screen there. You've also got a JL Audio head unit with the Mercury digital throttle and ignition, and all of your switches and a wireless phone charger to place your stuff there. We'll move on up to the bow, and I'll take a seat so you can really get an idea of just how big this bow is and how much seating there is. Underneath each of these seats, you're going to have storage, so you can stow away all your safety equipment, life jackets, fire extinguisher, all that stuff there. On either side of the bow, you do have 2 cup holders as well as plug-ins for your phone, whatever else you're charging out on the water. And that's just a few things that this Sunliner has to offer. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give me a call at 803-610-7828, and that's me, Blake Holbrooks.